you know, um, uh, where we have about 70% of the rural roads which are not blacktopped yet. So in terms of volume of activity that is going to come, you might have heard from the government also earlier, they were just doing about 8-10 kilometers. Now they have gone up to 22. And we are targeting now 45 to 50 kilometers. In some cases we have done also. So particularly for the people who are in civil engineering, plus also who are into the IT, we are going to have artificial intelligence to track these vehicles for toll payment at the toll plazas. So this is going to be a new subject which is going to come in a big way, so that there is no hold up at the toll plazas. So as we go sector specific, you will find that more and more opportunities, more and more activities of these sectors we will be in a position to share with you, and also guide you as to how to approach these sectors for employment. I'm just distracting a little bit. One more thing I want to say is that yesterday it was almost clear, but now since quite a good number of people have joined, one of the points which was coming was the locational disadvantage of REC Kurukshetra, because Kurukshetra is located at such a place where reachability is a little issue. So I want to clarify that please remove this doubt from your mind. It has nothing to do, your expertise, your knowledge, your functioning has nothing to do where you are placed. And in fact, I will say that corona has been one kind of silver lining in this activity, is that whosoever has any doubt about locational disadvantage for Kurukshetra, now we are all online all over the world, forget about India. So if we have the matter, or if we have the material, it doesn't matter where we are sitting. Like I'm sitting today at Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad, I am dealing with people sitting in New York, Washington, Singapore, China, anywhere. But if I don't have material, it does not matter. Even if I sit the best of the place in the world, I will not be able to contribute. So, my request to all of you is that Kurukshetra, being at Kurukshetra, absolutely is not an issue. Neither this is a disadvantage. Rather, post Corona, I will say it has turned into advantage because everything is online now, and I will be switching on and off, and therefore and I also will not be talking to you from any book. I am just talking extempore so that it helps you. So my 3 points or 4 points that I want to say, that number one, believe in yourself. अपने पे भरोसा रखिए that you are the best and you will be able to deliver. That is number one. And number two, the practical message or learning of life, my life and my colleagues, is that there is no replacement to hard work. If we feel that without doing hard work, we will be able to get the best of the things, I feel it will be very, very difficult. It will not be possible as I feel. So please put hard work at top of your agenda, whatever you are doing, including like when we are attending, spending this 1 hour, try and use the take the maximum advantage of this 1 hour session. Or when you study something, try and do your best there. And so therefore try and do your best. And fourth thing, nothing is impossible. If we feel employment is difficult, it is not difficult at all. We have to keep trying, we have to do our best, and we will get the result. And fifth thing is a very general thing, but I personally feel that we must look good.